How to download Riot Games on PC. So if you want to download Riot Games on PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply go with your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Riot Games. After that, you need to go with www.riotgames.com, and here you may have a download option. But if you don't find a download option right here, then you just need simply go back and you can search for Gameloop. After searching, now this is an emulator. You just need to simply download this emulator. You'll have the download option on the top right and you'll be able to download that emulator. After downloading the emulator, you can open up your Gameloop application or your emulator, and after that you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Riot Games. After searching for it, you'll find the Riot mobile PC. So you just need to simply click on download, which is right here, and you'll be able to download that. So in order to download your Riot Games, you need to download Gameloop, and after that, go with search and search for Riot, and then download it. So that's how you can download your Riot Games, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.